I have this love for agriculture because of my backdrop in kampung. My parents are actually rubber tappers, you know, and they grow tapioca and things like this. This is something that I always find, you know, something that I like. A lot of my friends, I think, felt that, you know, think I'm crazy. My Aussie friend was thinking, "Lloyd, you're a crazy Chinaman," you know. And my friend was thinking that, you know, I'm having a midlife crisis or something like that, that you give out a $500,000 perks job and you want to raise cows. So they find it's very amusing. But I think, thank God, you know, I think that was the right decision. And I think that the sheer perseverance and determinations to make this work, I think, has indeed paid off for us. 9 years ago, we were like doing 9 million business for the whole year. And then fast track, 9 years later, we are doing 9 million business a week. So that tells you, you know, how much we have grown over the 9 years period. I think consumer today, besides want to know where the foods come from, you can grow, you can make money, but then again, you know, how do you treat your animal? Are they well looked after and things like that? And how about your employees? And so I think it's beyond that. I think we wanted to build a brand that some days that, you know, people appreciate us as a company that all our stakeholders, from our customers, our employees, our animals, you know, all are well taken care of. Yeah.